Monster High, Monster High. Hi guys, it's Leah Henry here. Today's video is making lip gloss of my own. Usually will be a small container of some sort, some lip glosses, a toothpick of some sort, and a little bowl type thing, and also like a little tray put your stick on. So I'm just going to screw the lids off. One. And you squirt a tiny bit in. It's very difficult. So, yeah. If it will come out when I want it to. You don't want to come out for YouTubers. Oh, tiny bit. Come on, chameleon. I don't know the word. Okay. I've got quite a bit in here of other mixing colours. I'll add a bit more. I'll just like peachy creamy type one. So it's coming out. It's not exactly working, but just how I wanted it to. So I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of Paul's Boutique in there. It's coming out alright. Not very much, but it's okay. Yeah. A little bit of this. I'm getting it out. That came out quick. I'll squeeze it right out. There we go. Add a lip gloss. That doesn't really match, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna mix. So I'm just gonna mix it up. Yeah, I'm mixing it up with the toothpick. I'm getting all the other colour that's in there. In with it. It turns out this really nice cream type colour. And get your small container. I'm going to try and scoop it in. Like I'm doing now. I'm going to try and scoop it in. Oh dear. Oh, it got stuck on here. So, yeah. This isn't really a mixing bowl, it's just a little container I have. Yeah. So every time I stop talking and I whisper, because I'm talking to my camera lady, because I keep getting it everywhere and she just has to get it from places where I've got it. there it is. Oh, pretty corner. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of my hot pink in here. Scoop it out. Gonna put that in. Okay, that's not going too good. And then scoop it out of here. I'm just gonna mix all this up in here. My hot pink. I'm gonna scoop it out from this container straight into my hot pink palette container. Where I can mix it more. So I can get this like really cute texture. My camera lady's learning, so sorry if it's not very good. And we're not editing this video. We haven't got YouTube editor, so we don't edit our videos. By the way, sorry if I didn't tell you who it is. It's Sheila Burton. Yeah. Just got called a weirdo by my camera lady. I don't know if I said it at the beginning or not. So just informing me on that. She said I did, but I don't know that, do I? I'm not lying here. Oh dear, it's my hot pink palette. There it is. And I'm just gonna a little bit more. Things getting out. No, I can't. I need to make it a bit more. I need to make it a little bit more creamy. Like this.
It looks really nice.
There we go. It's gonna get creamy, baby. It's gonna get creamy, baby. Creamy, 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 baby. Give me some cream. There we go. Now I'm just gonna look at something. My room's not the slightest enough. So yeah, I basically just said my room's a mess. Why are you showing them that? Because I really did not need to see that. Just cleaning up the edge. Squish it in. It isn't flying on my hand, instantly flies. Dunk. So open it. So thanks for watching. Bye YouTube.